one of the secrets which actually has haunted many people who, when they read the Torah, they asked this question. They causes so much doubt in the Bible. The story of Abraham sacrificing on instruction from God his son Isaac. So let me share my screen. Show me you love me. Show me that you care. Go into your kitchen, grab a butcher knife, and slit your son's throat. No, this is not another Hollywood slasher film. This is what God, our creator, asked the great patriarch Abraham to do to his beloved son Isaac in yesterday's Torah reading. God told Abraham to slaughter his son, to sacrifice him as a demonstration of Abraham's unwavering commitment to the master of the universe. What happened to God's commandment, thou shalt not kill? How do we, logical, rational, thinking people, reconcile God's order to kill Isaac with this precept? Love, thou shalt not kill. How do you reconcile it? The fact is, we don't reconcile it. It can't be done. We cannot make any sense out of this hypocrisy, this contradiction, at least not on the surface level. There's no reason to sweat this apparent hypocrisy. The Zohar reveals a profound message, a secret inside this crazy story. It helps us to deeply understand our own nature and find the keys to true happiness and sanity in this unhappy, insane world. Without these secrets, there's no practical benefit gained by this biblical passage, which might explain why 95% of the world doesn't even read it anymore, maybe even more than 95%. Let's now decode the story of the binding of Isaac.